Hey guys, today I will be cooking a pot roast. And these are all the ingredients that I will be putting inside of it. Don't mind my carrots or my celery. I froze these and I'm just letting them unthaw, so that's why they look like that. I'm about to wash this up real good and I'm about to sear it on both sides, so stay tuned. Okay, y'all, I washed and I seasoned one side of my meat, and now I'm about to show you what I'm doing to the next side. I put oil in the bottom of my pan, let it get hot. Now I'm seasoning it. Three to 4 minutes, guys. That's it. Alright, y'all. Okay, guys. This is all the liquids that I have mixed up, along with my Lipton onion and my beef onion. And y'all, also forgot this to show y'all. I put a heaping tablespoon of this. Put that. And I stirred in my okay, please. I stirred in my Worcestershire. I don't have my tag because it fell out. A few dashes of that and my soy sauce. Put in like 2 teaspoons of that, or 2 tablespoons of that. And I stirred everything together with 2 cups of water. This may be 2.5 cups. 2 cups of water. Mix all that together. And now I'm about to pour it over my meat. Alright, y'all. Okay, guys. This is all the liquids that I have mixed up, along with my Lipton onion and my beef onion. And y'all, also forgot this to show y'all. I put a heaping tablespoon of this. Put that. And I stirred in my okay, please. I stirred in my Worcestershire. I don't have my tag on because it fell out. A few dashes of that and my soy sauce. Put in like 2 teaspoons of that, or 2 tablespoons of that. And I stirred everything together with 2 cups of water. This may be 2.5 cups, but 2 cups of water. Mix all that together, and now I'm about to pour it over my meat. And y'all, this is 2 cups of hot water because my meat is hot. And it will melt everything very easily, so I put 2 cups of hot water. And y'all know I did not have the browning seasoning mix. Okay, this is how it looks so far, y'all. Now I'm about to add in my onion, celery, bell pepper, and my carrots, and also my potatoes. I just got 1 roast. Because it's just me and my son. I might have company. My mom and I might come over tomorrow. I don't know yet. But this is my Sunday dinner. I got my Holy Trinity. I got my sun-dried tomatoes, potatoes, and my carrots. I don't worry about my carrots. I froze them, so, you know. And my celery, I froze them too. But it's okay, though. Okay, and since I'm going to be slow cooking this all night, you guys, I'm going to put everything in it. All my potatoes, onion, carrots, celery, bell pepper, everything. everything slow cook all night until about 3 in the morning, 7. Don't matter. I'll let you guys know when it's done, and I will taste test and let you guys see. Gonna stir everything together so everything can get some juice. I would love for everybody to try this recipe and let me know how you guys like it and what you feel about it. Leave it in my comments or DM me on Instagram at Latilda205. Y'all don't mind my baby in the background. He's playing with his tablet. All right, guys, that's everything. Yeah, when I say this is a new recipe that I'm trying, and the flavors are so good. Just try it, y'all, and let me know. Okay, y'all, look how tender this is. Look at that. Look at that. Tender. Let me fix my plate and show you guys. It is currently 7:09 a.m. Look. Ooh, it's hot, y'all. It is so tender. Yeah, my house smells so good this morning. Y'all got to follow this recipe. Oh my soul. Oh my God. It's so flavorful, so tender. Let me go back to being. Don't forget to follow this recipe, y'all, and tag me in it and let me know how it tastes. It's my recipe. Try it. God bless you. Happy Sunday. What it do, y'all? I'm back, y'all. Ooh, I'm back. So y'all don't judge my plate because I got everything on this small plate. Everything just together. Here go my roast, y'all. I got all my peppers and onions and carrots, potatoes. Yeah, it's so tender. I got some candy yam. And my favorite bean, no baby lima bean. My favorite beans, them baby lima beans with a lot of okra. Look. Today is Sunday, and this is my dinner. The roast, so let's get into this roast. Mmm.